Lesson 1C, Exercises 4 and 5.
Did you see that programme on TV last night about human cloning?
Yes, I did. It was fascinating, wasn't it?
Yes, and a bit worrying too, some of it.
Worrying in what sense?
Well, you know, who knows where it will end? I mean, once these scientists develop the technology to clone human beings, it'll be very difficult to control what happens.
I dare say there are lots of regulations, though. So the scientists can't just do what they like, can they?
Well, that's the theory. But look what happened with genetically modified food.
What did happen?
There were lots of regulations at first to control the use of GM seeds. But now those regulations are less strict, and GM seeds are used everywhere.
There are certainly more than there used to be.
And no doubt some of our food contains genetically modified ingredients, and we don't even know it.
Does it?
I expect so, yes. And the chances are our crops will be genetically modified one day soon.
But that won't happen with cloning, will it? Do you really think it will?
I don't know for sure, but it could. Especially when the super rich realise the potential. I mean, it would be a kind of immortality, wouldn't it? When you're getting really old, you clone yourself and carry on.
I don't think cloning really works like that.
Or maybe they would use cloning to grow a new heart or new lungs. That way, they could replace parts of their body and stay young forever. But only the super rich would be able to afford it.
Yes, I can certainly see that happening. What a terrible idea.
I know.
But the programme mentioned some other more positive developments, didn't it?
I think they called it therapeutic cloning.
That's right. And that doesn't involve creating new life, just new cells, so that the body can heal itself. That seems like a really good idea, if it works.
But I don't trust the scientists to stop there. Once they develop the technology, they'll want to go further and further. It's always like that.
I don't agree. With the right limitations in place, I think it could offer hope to large numbers of people. People suffering from really serious conditions.
I'd just say no to the whole thing, to all types of cloning. Stop it now while we still can.
Oh, I think that's too extreme. No doubt we need stricter regulations, but we can't just turn our backs on medical advances. And I'm not sure your worries are based on real evidence.
Are you saying I watch too much science fiction?
No.